with us.
Fire truck. Welcome to the fire station's emergency response center. I'm firefighter Khiki. There is an emergency call for help. There is an emergency call for help. Oh no, the building is on fire! Firefighter, please come and put out the fire! The water gun can douse the fire! Firefighter Khiki sets off! Don't be afraid, Bunny. Firefighter Khiki is here to put out the fire. There is thick smoke inside the house. The person trapped needs a wet towel. Drag the towel to the trapped person. Slide the water gun to put out this terrible fire. Slide the joystick to extinguish the fire on the other side. All fires have been successfully extinguished. This is a perfect rescue. Kids, remember to cover your mouth and nose with a wet towel and find a safe place to wait for rescue when a house is on fire. Bye! Goodbye, firefighter! Firefighting is complete! Let's fill the fire truck with water! Arrived at the water filling station. Let's prepare to add water. Hydrant. Turn the hose to tighten it. Which of these pipes can be connected? Great! Connect the rest of the pipes. Awesome! The pipes are all connected. Water is filled up. Loosen the hose. The barrier can only be lifted after completing the puzzle. an emergency call for help! Help! Some people fell in the water! Putting life buoys on the persons in water can help them float in water. Firefighter Khiki is on the way! Don't be afraid, Candy. The rescue team will be here soon. Tap the person in the water and put a life buoy on him. Slide the rope to pull him up. Rescue mission completed! Food. Bye! Goodbye, firefighter! There is an emergency call for help! What shall we do? Firefighter Khiki, the baby foxes climbed up the tree for fun and now they can't get down. Please come and save them! The ladder can be raised for rescue. Firefighter Khiki gets ready to go! Miss May, don't be afraid. Firefighter Khiki will act immediately. Tap the bush. The baby fox is hiding behind the baby fox to catch it with a net bag. Raise the ladder and search in the tree above. Tap the spider web to destroy. The baby foxes were successfully found. This is a perfect rescue. Kids, it's dangerous to climb up high. Danger removed. Bye. Goodbye, Khiki. Look, the pool is short of water, and the wooden bridge cannot be crossed. Let's fill the pool with water. Drag the hose to fill the pool with water. Fantastic! The wooden bridge has floated up, and it can be crossed. There is an emergency call for help! Oh no, the supermarket is on fire and many people are trapped in the supermarket! Firefighter Khiki, please come to the rescue! It's urgent! Come on, Khiki! The fire extinguisher can put out the fire! Firefighter Khiki gets ready to go! Don't be afraid, Fuzzy. The fire rescue will start immediately. There are 4 trapped people in the supermarket. Let's start looking for them. Move Khiki to find the trapped people. There is an obstacle! Get it cleared! Not right! Fire axe can split all blocking boxes! Choose protective tools for the trapped people. Yeah! Thank you. The gas mask has strong protection. It can help isolate smoke and toxic gases. Choose protective. Thank you. Choose protective tool. Thank you. The trapped person. Thank you. Rescue all trapped people. Oh yeah! This is a perfect rescue. Kids, don't panic if there is a fire indoors. Waiting for firefighters to rescue. Danger removed. Bye. Goodbye, firefighter. Please enter the correct number to lift the barrier. The fire truck has returned successfully. Let's wash it.
Wow, guys! Somebody gave...
First, drag the water sprayer to rinse off the mud. Tap the button to spray the cleaning fluid. Scrub the car clean. Now rinse off the foam. The car is clean. You are like an expert. had a busy day. You're the greatest firefighter. Bye! Awesome! It's a new gift!